Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today we're going to look at how to divide bulbs. So here in the fall is the best time to divide these. Now I'm going to show you how to do an Amaryllis bulb. Specifically, this is my belladonna lily. I love this plant. It is a great spring bloomer, cut flower, grows from a bulb. Fabulous plant, but every 3 years it really needs to be dug up and divided so that you get the best of those blooms in the springtime. So now that it's fall, it's time to do some digging and make some really beautiful plants. So here's how to do it. And again, you can do this with just about any kind of bulb in the fall. Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, here in my own garden. Well, it is mid-September. The summer heat has cooked everything, but it's starting to finally cool off. So I'm going to dig up my belladonna lilies, these beautiful pink lilies, and divide them. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. So starting out, here's a big clump. It's only 2 years old, and boy, it's spread out, and it's ready to be divided. Okay, I have dug it up. Here it is, ready to get divided. All right, we have dug up the big giant clump of bulbs and roots, and now it's time to divide them. But before we can actually do the division, it's important to cut all this greenery away because we want the plant to focus on root development and not trying to feed its damaged greenery. So before I divide, I always trim all the greenery off. All right, I've trimmed all the vegetation off of the tops of these, leaving about 12 inches of the stalk and greenery. And now, as you can see, it's much easier to see the bulb layout. So there are 9 bulbs now. It was only 3 when I planted this a couple years ago. It's divided into 9 good specimens. So I'm hoping I can get a good 5 or 6 of these out and into pots to then give to clients and put in other gardens. So there's 2 ways to divide a clump like this. Sometimes you can pull it apart with your hands, which is what I'm going to try. Good one. Well, that's a nice big one. There you go. Stop. As you can see, we have divided it into 13 bulbs. It was 3, and now a couple years later, it's 13. Some of these, you can tell, are the original bulb. They are just massive. This was one of the original 3 that went into the hole. But what I'm excited about are these little babies that have developed. This is the great stuff. So some of these I'm going to put back in the hole to harvest in 2 years. But these other medium-sized ones, they're going to go in pots where I'm going to nurse the roots through the next hot month and then give them to clients to put in their gardens. So you want to take a 5-gallon pot, fill it up about 1/3 of the way with good potting soil, stuff it in there. It's kind of like that scene from Harry Potter where you rip them out of the soil, stick it in the pot, throw a little bit of soil in there, munch it all in there, put a little dirt, and that way the little baby stops screaming. And there you have a nicely divided belladonna lily. It's going to be a great plant for someone's garden the coming spring. Beautiful pink flowers. So once again, before dividing, and here's after dividing. We have a whole bunch in pots, one back in the ground in that spot. And don't forget to throw some water on those babies as soon as you put them in the pots. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to get more of my videos.